Hey guys, it's Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to copy the Parkview template page for the 2022-2023 school year to your eCLASS course pages. So we're going to first start by going to Course Admin, click on Import Export Copy Components. You're going to search for offering. Here by offering, they mean a course offering, a course page. We're going to put in the word template to search and hit enter or click the search button. You should see the offering name as Parkview Template Course Page. You'll select that page and do Add Selected. Wait for the page to update. And then we're going to click the blue Copy All Components button. Please note this is the only time you should be using the blue Copy All Components button is when you're copying this template. You do not want to use that button when you're copying from your old course page because it can create a mess. So you'll see this progress bar here shows you copying is in progress. You don't have to sit and watch this. You can go ahead and go to your other course pages and copy the template on each one. And then when you come back, it'll be updated. So I'm going to click on the name of the course to go back to the front page, and it will refresh and show me that I now have a blank template page. I'm going to do a separate video to show you how to set up your template. Thanks, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.